In this video, I will show you exactly how I made over 9,000 intraday profit and predicted the entire Nifty expiry movement. So stick around to the end. This is the day 56 of my daily option selling journal. So today's market, well, if you see from an overview standpoint, it opened a gap up and it filled the gap instantly. If I go to the 1 minute time frame, so it filled the gap instantly and it continued to fall till 9:50. After that, it slowed down and till 11 it was fine. But after 11, it started falling again. Now, this fall was normal. Okay, this fall was normal. The market was doing the normal things it does on expiry. It even went sideways. And when it was like sideways till 11, I was like, okay, the expiry will be fully sideways. It won't, move any now and there. But then I noticed something. The market was, slowly going down, and then I looked at the open interest. So at that point we were at like 25,150 ATM, so that is over here. So when we were over here, strikes like 25,150, 25,200, 25,250, all of these had like massive amount of put writing. And if you guys know, when like a put writers exit their positions, it causes like more selling pressure, right? I hope you guys know this. So that is exactly what happened. The market hit the SLs of them. So first, when the market was falling like this, 25,150 came in the money, and people were like not even exiting. If like, listen, if 25,150 got in the money, right? So people in 25,250 should exit, 25,200 should exit, but they did not exit. They were like too confident. And when they were like so confident, at one point I was thinking, okay, this might be just be a bear trap and the market will reverse back to 25,200. But no, it didn't. Once this candle came in though, this 921, at this candle, I think about 3 minutes later, because the OI is updated every 3 minutes, right? So in this one candle, everyone like in 20,250, 200, everyone exited their position except 150. So in these two strikes, everyone exited their position. That caused even more selling pressure. So that's why you will see this like in like what, 4 minutes, the market down about 0.14% again. And after that, the market started sustaining. It was like going sideways a bit, but then people again started writing put options on like 25,100 and 150 and beyond like 050. So it was like just a mess. People were just being overconfident. At one point, I saw over 4 lakh contracts on like 25,100. Can you imagine 4 lakh contracts shorted on 25,100 when the market was already below 25,100 for a quite some bit, because it went below, okay, but it couldn't go up. It fell again. So once it like fell again, those 4 lakh contracts, every single person had to exit that position. And when they exited, they caused another fall. And so the first fall was triggered by the people, in these strikes. The second fall was triggered by the people in like 25,100. Now exactly, we all know that those people did not directly cause the index to move down, but they did make a massive role in like making the market fall. So yeah, these were the two falls, and I predicted the entire movement on the Telegram channel. I'll show you the proof later on. So what I did now, let's go over my personal trade. So what I did, so I was trading a straddle. A straddle is a non-directional intraday option selling strategy. It's made by selling a both ATM call and a put. So I was trading a straddle of 25,200, and I was all fine till about 11, and till after 11 at 11:17 to be precise, I exited my positions, because I just told you the reason. I thought the market would fall, so I exited the positions. And yeah, the market did fall. I saved over like 40,000 in capital, because this is the type of fall on expiry. Because if I go to the 25,200, the put option went from 45 to over 200. That's more than 300% increase. So that's about 40,000 in capital gone if I had holded the position. So I saved that money, and I was out of the market by 11:17. I did make a few short positions, like directional short positions. So yeah, and I made some money on that. So now let's move to the sell price analysis. It opened at about 87.40, okay, and it fell and fell and fell till 11. After 11, at 11:19, I updated in the Telegram channel that the market might, fall and the premiums would spike. That's exactly what happened. Within 5 minutes, the premium spiked once. They did not fall, and this was the second big red flag. The premiums did not fall. Usually, after this spike, the premium should fall. Like take this spike. When the premium spiked up, they fell, right? They fell instantly almost. But over here on this first spike, the premium spiked up, but they stayed. They stayed like inflated. They did not really fall. So that made the market fall even more. That made another spike. And this spike, a lot of option sellers got their SL hit, and I'm sure of that. Like especially non-directional ones. I'm talking specifically to non-directional option sellers right now. But then, the premiums fell because it was the expiry and it was just a mess. Everyone got their SLs hit and all. So now my PNL for today. So here you go. So these were my positions for today. I did take some hedges, and those hedges, if you include the losses of those hedges, I was at 9,000 total net profit. So yeah, now I also updated the Excel sheet. So here you go. I made about, to be exact, 9,105 rupees. It does not include the directional short positions I took because it's like outside of the challenge, because this challenge is all about me and the normal straddles. How much can I make directly from straddles and not some other strategy? So I did not include that profit. I entered at 920 approx. I exited at 1117. I did take adjustment. I did not take adjustment. And my total PNL is now up to 4 lakhs. So I've officially broken the 4 lakh mark, and this is my PNL graph. So it's like on a consistent uptrend, which is what I like. So that's good. And now to the Telegram channel, which also contains the proof for today. So the first message I sent today was at 11:19. So 11:19, I've updated this one message that if the market stays below 25,150 for too long, a bigger fall is expected. And within 10 minutes, the market fell and the premium spiked up. I updated that, and by 12 p.m. I also updated how much I would have lost if I was personally in that position. So if I show you from 44 to 140, and this premium went even further up. This was like this ended at like 200. So I saved over 40,000 in my capital, so that's good. If you want to join the Telegram, you can join the Telegram. It's free, and I don't give any tips or anything. It's just like me and my personal trades and like opinions about the market. So yeah, that's basically all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.